Alrighty, this video is going to be super quick because there's not much to report. I'm going to do an analytic report for December 2024 on my second YouTube channel, the one you're currently on, Amanda's Numbers. Here I talk all things YouTube. Okay, so my first channel is a mommy channel and I've reported on the analytics there, but then I also want to report on the analytics for this actual channel. Okay, so let's jump right in. December, I published 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I published 7 long form videos. I do not do shorts here. I got 26 views. I got 0.2 watch time hours and 1 subscriber. So basically nothing. Let's hit see more. Let's just do a quick look again by content type. I like seeing it sometimes without the videos in my way. So subscribers, 1, videos published, 7, average percentage viewed, 6%. On my other channel, I'm more like 20 to 30%, 26 views, 0.2 watch time hours, so not even an hour. Average view duration, 22 seconds. These videos are anywhere from like 4 minutes to like 10, even longer sometimes. So that's absolutely terrible. Basically, nobody likes my content. Let's go into the content itself. What did I publish in December? Okay, the truth about monetization, why it's so hard. Let's see, month 12. This one was, I thought, a good one overall. And I think this one actually gets a little bit more views in January. I am filming this in January. I think this one takes off for me a little bit, but it was about me increasing my viewer duration, which is so important for watch time hours. Oh gosh, overall, it doesn't even matter what I posted because basically this channel is doing absolutely terrible. The sources, channel pages, browse, there's no data to even report to you guys at this point. All right, so real quick, let me just show you a quick view. So the truth about monetization, why it's harder than you think, 2 views. YouTube, month 11, 1. Why you can't count on consistency to grow your channel. Being consistent does not mean you're going to grow. I am an example of that. I don't miss uploads. I don't miss posts. I am so consistent. I've been consistent for years on my blog, on now YouTube. It does not equal success. Okay, I got 9 views on that. Launching YouTube channel. So I think I showed launching my second channel here, or maybe it was my third. I'm not sure exactly. I tried to do a little tutorial. I think it's helpful. Anywho, 5 views there. Month 12, 2. I had some good subscriber growth. Changes to double duration, 3, which I thought that was a better thumbnail for me. My thumbnails are not the best on this channel. Channel 1 is my focus. This channel is kind of just documenting. Okay, so I just want this like inventory of data that I could go back and look at in the future if I want to and see where I was and what I was proud of and what I was frustrated with. And so this essentially is a diary for myself because nobody's really watching it. If you're here watching this video, thanks so much. Shocking that you're here. Maybe one day my channels will take off and I'll have monetization to share and then this will take off and people will actually be interested. We'll see. And then the last video was 1 year on YouTube, kind of celebrating a year and what that looked like. And that got 5 views, 1 comment. I bet that was me. Either way. All right, that's what I wanted to share with you guys today. Let's keep it short, keep it simple. I don't want to waste your time because there's nothing really to talk about here. I will say, this is December 2024. January, I'm launching another channel. That'll be channel number 3. Let's see what we can do there. One other thing I think I'm going to do with my number 1 channel, Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, I think I'm going to quit doing shorts. Okay, so January, don't expect to see shorts, only expect to see long form, and we're going to see how that goes. Thank you for bearing with me, and thank you for checking out all my channels and what I got going on. See you in the next one. Have a great day.